we've talked about this in geometry and algebra 2. And this is usually a chapter I skip. But we got to fill some time. And this is all stuff that pops up on the ACT that I know you guys are so excited about. But I figure it's a good refresher. So, finding the distance or the length between 2 points. So you use this formula. All right, so that's the formula we use. And then you're going to be given 2 points. So let's say we're given the point 1, 2, and 6, negative 10. So like you would have x1, y1, x2, y2. And then you're just going to plug those in where they go. So 1 minus 6. No, sorry, 6 minus 1. Negative 10 minus 2 squared. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Then you have negative 12 squared. So that gives you 25 and 144. Remember, when you square the negative numbers, they're going to become positive. So you shouldn't ever end up with a negative under the square root at this point. So then that's the square root of 169. And if you can work it out evenly, work it out like you can for this one. If not, just leave it in the square root. All right, so the midpoint formula all right, so also fairly straightforward. So let's say this time our points are 9, negative 6, and 4, 6. So again, x1, y1, x2, y2. So we'd have 9 plus 4 over 2 to get our x coordinate. Negative 6 plus 6 over 2 to get the y. So you'd get 13 over 2 and 0. Done. This might be the easiest day of trig we've had all year.
Is this trig?
Well, I'm going back over stuff. You just did this in algebra 2. Yeah, we're just going back over it. And it pops up in there, chapter 11.
So I took the ACT.
How'd it go?